Jai Srimanarayana. 25th sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Daivameva apare yajñam yoginaha paryupasate ब्रह्माग्नावपरे यज्ञं यज्ञेनैव उपजुह्वति। Om. Have a small vigraham of Sri Krishna Paramatma and start connecting yourself to Sri Krishna Paramatma every day. And also, once in a while, occasionally, perform small yajnam, homam at your home. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall have your small vigraham at my home and start connecting myself to you every day. I shall perform homam or yajnam at my home occasionally with the help of any acharyas around me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava, sarvam Sri Krishna arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, according to Jamadagni Maharshi's orders, Parasurama finished his 1-year Tirthayatra and came back to Ashramam. And one of those days, Jamadagni Maharshi's wife Renuka went to bring some water from Ganga river. There, Kadachit Renuka Yata Gangayam Padmamalinam Gandharvarajam Kridantam Apsarobhihi Apasyata. There, Renuka has seen one Gandharvaraju Chitra Radhudu. He is bathing with so many Apsarasas. After seeing Chitraradha, Renuka also got little bit of attracted to him. But she could control herself and she delayed bringing water back to Jamadagni Maharshi. By then she was already getting scared. She brought that kalasam of water, kept in front of her husband Jamadagni, and started getting scared that he might curse her. Jamadagni Maharshi has seen his wife Renuka and realized that Renuka got attracted towards some other person. And knowing that, immediately Jamadagni Maharshi got very much mad at her and asked his own sons to cut her head. But they did not listen to Jamadagni Maharshi's orders. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 25th sloka. Daivameva pare yajñam yoginah paryupasate. Brahmagnava pare yajñam yajñenaivopajuhvati. Daivameva pare yajñam yoginah paryupasate. Brahmagnava pare yajñam yajñenaivopajuhvati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.